Good day everyone, I am Erika Agsunod and today I am assigned to report Chapter 10 Communicating Digital Content from page 1 to 13. So let's begin. Objective Overview. Discuss the purpose of the components required for the successful communication and identify various sending and receiving devices. Differentiate among LANs, MANs, WANs, and PANs. Differentiate between client-server and peer-to-peer networks. Explain the purpose of communication software. Describe the various network communication standards and protocols. Describe various types of communications lines. Describe commonly used communications devices. Discuss different ways to set up and configure a home network. Differentiate among physical transmission media and differentiate among wireless transmission media. So, communications. Digital communications describe a process in which two or more computers or devices transfer data, instructions, and information. Digital communications systems that we use every day include mobile phones, televisions, radio, and of course the internet. Networks. A network is a collection of computers and devices connected together via communication devices and transmission media. So networks connect users within a defined physical space, such as within an office building. The internet is a network that connects users from all parts of the world. Advantage of the network include facilitating communications, sharing hardware, sharing data and information, sharing software, and transferring funds. A LAN area network is a network that connects computers and devices in a limited geographical area. So, LAN only covers a small area, such as home network, office network, personal network, public network, and offline network. Wireless LAN is a LAN that uses no physical wires. A wireless local area network is a wireless distribution method for two or more devices that use high-frequency radio waves and often include an access points to the internet. A WLAN allows users to move around the coverage area, often a home or a small office, while maintaining a network connection. A metropolitan area network connects LANs in a metropolitan area. A wide area network is a network that covers a large geographic area. Since a LAN covers a small area, noise and error are minimized. Both a metropolitan area network and a wide area network provide network communication over a geographical regions. A personal area network is a network that connects computers and devices in an individual workspace with wired and wireless technology. So, personal area network is a computer network that enables communication between computer devices near a person. Example of wireless PAN or WPAN devices include cell phones, headset, wireless keyboard, wireless mice, wired printers, barcodes, scanners, and game consoles. The configuration of computer devices and media on network is sometimes called the network architecture. Network architecture is a design of a communication network. It is a framework for the specification of a network physical components and their functional organizations and configurations. It is operational principles and procedures as well as data formats used. Communication software is a software consists of program and app that help establish connection to another computer, mobile device, or network, manage the transmission of data, instruction, and information, and provide an interface for users to communicate with one another. Network communication standards and protocols: Ethernet, Token Ring, TCP, IP, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, UWB, IRDA, RFID, NFC, and LTE. Ethernet is a network standard that specifies no central computer or device on a network should control when data can be transmitted. The token ring standards specifies that computers and devices on the network shares or pass a special signal. TCP/IP is a network protocol and defines how messages data are routed from one end of a network to another. So that's all. And so that's all. Thank you for listening. And the next reporter will be Russell Lagas.